early morning, the city is peaceful. Blue forklift rolls slowly and spots a big broken branch blocking the road. Seeing their friend in trouble, red-orange excavator, purple crane, and yellow roller quickly appear from the same direction. Though the road is tight, they're ready to help. The scene shifts to a new layout. Purple crane is the first to act, extending its arm and wrapping its hook around the big branch. Everyone watches closely, hopeful and ready. As soon as the branch is pulled aside, red-orange excavator and blue forklift begin clearing the remaining debris. Each performs its part with perfect coordination. Now it's yellow roller's time to shine. Its big drum slowly rolls over, smoothing the cleared road. The other friends cheer in delight. The four friends line up together, smiling with flashing lights. What a fulfilling morning of teamwork and friendship! Holy moly! A monster pothole blocks the road? With a trap like this, who dares to pass? Road rescue! Stat! Team, roll in! Fix it fast, or traffic's doomed! Barriers flying like superheroes landing! Speed is great, but not chaos speed. Turn your back 5 seconds. Concrete's flying. They might need to fix the fix. They came to fix the pothole and ended up remodeling the sidewalk. Luckily, Crane spotted the mistake and fixed the sign just in time. Forklift buzzes back and forth, carefully realigning the barriers. Mixer spins and sprays. Who knew the sidewalk needed a spa day? Lights on, mission done.